we guide you through how to send international transfer with MoneyGram. Start by opening the MoneyGram app or visiting the MoneyGram website, then sign in to your account or create one if you are a new user. Select Send Money, choose Destination Country, enter the amount you want to send, and select how your recipient will receive the funds, such as bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup, depending on what's available. Next, enter your recipient's full name details carefully, review the exchange rate, transfer fee, and estimated delivery time. Then choose your payment method such as bank account, debit card, or credit card where supported. Double-check all information before confirming the transaction to avoid delays. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation along with the reference number you can use to track the transfer. You can also share this reference number with your recipients if it's required to cash pick up. That's all it takes to send international transfer with MoneyGram quickly and securely.